For those that don't know me, I'm Travis Rogers. I run Dental Venture Capital. We're not a venture fund per se, although I do help companies raise money. Over the last 6 months, helped raise over $3 million for companies. My program is really about helping people bring products to market, everything from idea through to exit, and implementing tools and strategies to get there. A lot of startup companies I work with don't know how to really do good project management and marketing automation. I've worked on over 250 products and projects. I've launched 27 different products. And a big part of that is just events like this where we get people on that can talk to other companies and collaborate. For those that haven't been a part of this, what makes a successful pitch is a strong story.
My name is Vajahat. I'm a clinician at heart, practiced dentistry for 10 years. It grew into a 300 people team that we have right now with 115 clients on the managed services side. We are not a patient management software. We are a managed services and aggregator software for business management on the dental side, which is cloud-based, has a lot of component of AI and automation built into it. So these are the problems we are solving. We provide a really good solution to the dental practices under managed care services. We bring about 13% improvement in the profit line for a dental practice that we take on board with us, along with our managed care as well as the software. So DentAccounts is a tool which helps to automate the transactional balancing and reconciliation side of PMS versus the bank. The last one is the incentive, which is a module where we are able to create accountability for the staff. And we are continuing to develop them as we move forward with this project. This is some market survey that we have done. We are giving impactful and very powerful results to the offices. And that is evident from all the clients that we have, 110 managed services clients. If anybody wants to aggregate something they already have in clients on their platform, we are willing to leverage that and white label the product to have them available for them to expose it to their clients. And we are looking for investors. We are looking for funding from partners, venture capitalists, PE firms, whoever can pitch in, and we are looking for partners.
Great. Wes Reed started a company called Practice CFO, which is fractional CFO services for dental practices, somewhat of a Kane Water style firm. If you know them, we do CPA work, but we really lead with personal financial planning as an investment advisor, financial planner. We got about 60 people at the firm. We work with about 400 dentists and we're eagerly growing. We often have dentists sell practices and we often represent dentists buying practices and have been involved in really hundreds of dental transitions. Over the years, I thought, what a chaotic space. It seems to be run the same way today as it was in 1980. I have invested time and money into a software, a multi-sided platform, which is like Amazon or OpenTable, these platforms where the transaction and interaction occurs inside of the system. So this is the website, but I'm going to go under the hood and look at the software side of it. What I'm trying to do is introduce good technology into a chaotic transaction and create organization around it to create better flow. When you log in, it comes to a dashboard, and the dashboard is your home base. On the left-hand side is your menu where every user creates their profile. And every profile questionnaire is unique to whether you're a dentist, buyer, seller, banker, accountant, or an attorney. We collect important information on every single user inside the system. That information is used to help match buyers and sellers. You've probably all seen how brokers have their listing sites. The difference here is that it doesn't just list it, but once you click on it and log in, then you can come in and actually see details about the practice, just like a Redfin house profile, except it's for the practice, long-term strategy. But in the meantime, we're getting users sign up every single day. We're getting new listings. We're getting buyers that we're introducing with banks, and it's starting to make some money. We've got an awesome team. Travis has been extremely helpful with a lot of our management and our EOS system on the platform, and really excited about what we're going to do with this technology.
I spent the last 35 plus years managing risk as a consultant. The focus has been on environmental health and safety. We're always trying to increase efficiency, improve data visibility, and help drive proper decision-making. Ultimate goal to reduce identifiable risk. What are some of the problems that the practices are dealing with today? Also, I think one of the things that we see are what I would call lack of data visibility. How is data being collected, stored, and utilized? How do we drive decision-making and improve efficiencies? So what do? For busy dental practices, Ethics is a comprehensive solution that helps automate tasks, reduces the paperwork, and frees up staff time to focus on patients. If we take a look at simplifying compliance in a single comprehensive cloud-based platform, what are we talking about? We believe we built an excellent suite of intuitive compliance management tools. And what we're trying to do is foster better communication and collaboration among our team members. The dental practice management software currently in 2024 is around $4 billion with a nice growth rate, 11 to 12% annually, with a market size growth expected to be around close to 7.5 to 8 by 2030. What we like about that is the compliance software on the clinical side is yet to be a larger part of that market size. We believe there's a lot of opportunity to grow. We believe it's competitive. Ethics, one thing that I think we have a lead on is its dental-focused solution. We have been working with compliance dental consultants. We're providing them tools to manage their clients more effectively, identify potential problems, and be proactive in their approach. And certainly, we love direct contacts with single locations, multi-locations, in the larger DSO environments. We can handle all three types of environments. Our traction is good. We have over 100 clients that make up over 336 locations, and we have over 4,200 users currently on the system. We can expand outside of dental a little, but our focus has been in dental in all sorts of different types of dental practices.
I am the founder of Confidential, and we created the world's first breathable dental dam. I'm also, as Travis mentioned, a dental student at University of Toronto. Rubber dams are these rubber sheets you place over the patient's mouth to isolate the treatment area and also protect the patient. They're mandatory for root canals and highly recommended for fillings. So I talked to some endodontists. I asked them, what do you do when this happens? And they said they puncture holes inside the rubber dams. And to me, I figured that kind of defeats the purpose of a rubber dam, because after all, one reason you put in rubber is so you prevent aspirating dental material. On the left, you see an endo file that was aspirated by a patient. On the right, there's a crown. And whether it's aspiration or ingestion is a very serious matter, especially if this aspiration is a medical emergency. So cutting a hole inside the rubber dam doesn't cut it. And this is a picture of our first testing subject. That's my girlfriend right there. We used her and we tried on the Comfy Dam on her. The market size is around $140 million, expected to grow to $250 million by 2031. We got the traditional rubber dams you see at the bottom. You have IsoDam, FlexiDam, the great products, but they're not breathable. So Comfy Dam is the only breathable dental dam on the market. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're raising around $100,000 to fund R&D, legal costs and operation costs. And our goal is to license our IP through a royalty base or an IP buyout. Thank you so much.
My name is Alvin Itai. I'm the founder and CEO of Elite Dental Force. I've been in the industry for over 4 years now, doing billing and insurance. We are on a mission to bridging the communication gap between the dental office staff members, insurance companies, and patients. We do that by providing software that offers integration as well as optimization, and that's specifically for the back office and the front office workflow. We actually started out as an outsourcing company and had a total of 10 offices that we were working on. We did some research and found that within the industry, there's a total of 183,000 practices within the US. And as of 2024, the annual revenue was $189.6 billion. These are some of the reasons why: complex and time-consuming billing processes, high rate insurance claim rejections, insurance and billing workflow delayed payments, and then stress and burnout among staff members. Our solution is to offer automation and optimization of the workflow to identify what is missing within making a clean claim. There's a lot of errors that are happening because of the communication between a dental office, the assistant, office manager, as well as the hygienist. And so our software will be able to actually bridge that communication gap by sending out notifications and holding everybody accountable for the work that goes throughout the day. This is how the process is going to work with our software. This is our mission and our vision. This is the market size. This is the projection on the market growth. We're asking 2.5 million of equity of 20%. And what we're actually looking for as well is partnerships.
I'm Dr. Mark Thorson, retired general dentist, dental educator, dental innovator, and dental sales professional. Dental patients want three things. Please do a really good job. Please do it very efficiently. And please don't hurt me. Problem is they take a long time, use lots of parts, and cause soreness. Postoperative soreness is one of the things patients talk about most. The solution is Inflatrix. We are building trust. We have 2 patents, trademark. The FDA says that we are exempt, which is awesome. Our market is established. Those of you who have been through this exercise know this very well. Our primary target is GPs and kids docs under age 45 because they're much more likely to be early adopters. These are testimonials validating my claims. We have a lot of achievements over the past year. This is going to go by quickly because I'm losing my time, but I have the ability to do this. We're looking for 350 this year. My ask is for pre-orders. That's what my call to action is on my press release. I'm open to all questions. Thank you very much.
I'm presenting kitty caps. We invented a revolutionary new ceramic crown for children that will make it possible for more families to afford tooth-colored high-end restoration. People know with tooth decay affecting almost half of all children, it's the most common childhood disease in the United States and in a lot of countries. Most importantly, the price point is really high and it can't be brought down because of the production process. Plastic and metal crowns are cheap to make, but have mediocre performance at best, not just aesthetically, but there's a whole bunch of other risks that we're exposing kids to. On the left, you see how they're made really fast, no design limitations, while on the right, you see how slowly these zirconia crowns are currently milled, where the surface is already smooth, that it doesn't create abrasion, and the crowns have a margin of just 0.1 millimeters. So dentists in Germany that are using this are doing this without anesthetics at all, and at the same time, they're extremely durable. Here's our team dropping an actual anvil on one of the crowns, failing to crack. They don't really care. What we're looking for is distribution partners for the US and pediatric and family dentists that want to try this out for free once we launch in the US.
Hi, everybody. So I'm JP Berland, and today I'm talking about Dr. B Dental Solutions. We make the best denture care products ever invented. There are 41 million people with dentures just in the United States. 90 million people have other types of dental appliances like for snoring or sleep apnea, retainers, orthodontic appliances, and mouth guards. They only have 2 product types, the denture adhesives and the tablet cleansers. Fixodent and Polydent have 82% market share for the adhesives, and Polydent have 71% market share for the cleansers. We have the first full denture care system invented by a dentist. Our denture adhesive was the first to ever get accepted by the ADA. And we also have natural ingredients in our products. So we did $2 million in sales. We have a significant Amazon business, and we signed a partnership with Affordable Dentures. We actually already surpassed this target, but I wanted to leave it open to anybody else that would be interested. Just one final point on exit opportunity. Colgate is the world's largest oral care product company, and they don't have a denture care brand.
We have built an AI-based receptionist for dental practices. It's conversational and operational. What it does, it's able to interact like a real human, and it does multiple channels. So obviously it can do voice. We've solved the hard one, which is voice conversations over the phone. Speaks 21 languages. One of the biggest problems today is appointments that are lost. Average 7 to 10 calls that are missed per day because people go home after 5 o'clock. Prolonged holding times. It could be anywhere between 5 to 12 minutes of wait time per call. In terms of solutions, no queues, no hold calls, no missed calls, booked appointments directly on the PMS. This actually generates revenue for dental offices and DSOs. The market is already huge. Partnership, that's something we would like to build more of. So if you know a DSO or if you're, we already have a partnership with Dr. Vajahat, that's fantastic. We've got a couple other partnerships already, but we'd love to build more.
I've been designing handpieces since 1964. And this handpiece is one of the best ones I've ever done. It's a very light, battery-powered hygienist handpiece. It only weighs 2.8 ounces, lighter than anybody else. I'm looking for $300,000 to produce the molds and the tooling and all the parts for first 1,000 units. There are over 200,000 hygienists operating in the United States.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Michael Negru, and I'm the founder of Envodent, a new and exciting cloud-based practice management for general dentists and specialists. The problem is that all these systems are still in use and lack a lot of modern features and solutions of a cloud-based software. So I have started Envodent with 4 objectives in mind. Make a software that is simple but comprehensive in functions, make it fast, and at the same time, cost effective. Our database conversions from server-based practice management softwares as well as other cloud-based softwares are pretty close to perfection and as comprehensive as one can get. And I dare to say that we have one of the best, if not the best, data conversion compared to the competition. What I wanted to say in ending that I want to bring clarity, efficiency, and functionality to the modern office. And if any of you are interested to partner with us, please call. We'd love to partner with you and also be able to show you our software and how it works. And thank you, Travis, again.